Accessing technical publications at myaerospace.com. Honeywell's technical publications has been upgraded to enhance your user experience. Over the next few minutes, we will review the basic functionality and new features. First, go to myaerospace.com and log in with your Honeywell ID and password. You can also access directly from the home page through your popular destinations and from the top navigation menu under Support. Once you're in the search page, you can start by typing in a keyword or selecting a category. Once you begin searching, you can narrow down your search criteria by using filters. Let's start with a text-based search for Primus 440 on all available publications. On the results page, you may find several elements have changed. The search results bar will display the number of publications that match your criteria. You also have options to save the current search criteria or export the results as an Excel file. Also, you will notice that the filters now display the numbers of documents that correspond to each selection. Your results may be sorted by different parameters as well. Further details can be reviewed by clicking on View More Details on each publication. And when that publication has been granted to digital delivery, it will be available by clicking on View Publication. If a publication is not available for you to review, you must request access first by clicking on the Request a Copy link. My Publications show all the available publications that you currently are entitled to view immediately. You can access your list by clicking on the link or by selecting the radio button. You may sign up to receive an email notification for any updates to a publication. You can also cancel any notifications from the Manage Your Notifications screen. Thank you for your attention. You are now ready to begin searching technical publications on myaerospace.com.